Meaning of deuterium.
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 Deuterium. Deuterium is an isotope of hydrogen with 1 proton and 1 neutron in its nucleus, giving it a mass of approximately double that of ordinary hydrogen. Deuterium can be used as a fuel in nuclear fusion reactions, which release large amounts of energy by joining atomic nuclei together. Deuterium is also used in nuclear magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, and as a tracer in scientific studies of chemical and biological systems. Due to its relative scarcity, deuterium is more expensive than regular hydrogen and its isotopes are highly sought after for their unique properties.